Hi, it's Damian and Joe at Umina Podiatry. We're here to have a chat with you about one of Joe's favourite subjects, which is warts, plantar warts. Plantar warts generally are caused by a virus.
Please don't ask me to pronounce it though.
But the Human Papilloma Virus.
Thank you.
Is that right? HPV. So there are how many different types?
Hundreds of different types. Yep.
And they cause all different types of warts.
The virus causes different things in the body. So you can get little cold sores around the mouth. You can get the warts on the feet, and very different strain and a very different aggressive strain of it can cause the cervical cancer.
Right. So that's why there's now an HPV vaccine. Now, does that work on plantar warts or verrucas?
There has been some studies that show that people who do have warts, they tend to reduce in the size of them. It's not necessarily aimed at getting rid of the warts, but there has been some side effects from it, which, you know, is a positive side effect to getting rid of people's warts.
So there's no sort of quick fix?
No, there's no
unfortunately.
quick fix.
Okay. So the thing about plantar warts is that they tend to look like a little cauliflower on the sole of your foot.
Yes.
Yeah, but what you see, they've got that iceberg effect, haven't they?
That's right. So when I'm treating a wart with a patient, I usually tell them that it can get a little bit bigger as we're reducing the wart down, and that's because as the wart's coming to the surface, it's getting bigger.
So a bit like an iceberg, you only see the very tip of it.
The very tip of it, the Titanic kind of like.
Yeah, righto. So are warts contagious?
Yes, they're highly contagious. Bathrooms with the wet, moist tiles on the grounds, public swimming areas is the most common places where you can pick up the warts. Okay. So very contagious.
So any kind of communal barefoot areas that are, you know, tiled or indoor,
exactly.
Things to avoid.
And that could be in your own private bathroom because you've got a family member with one as well.
All right, so even at home you can pick up warts from other
family members. Yeah.
Righto. What can you do to prevent them?
So obviously if you're camping or if you're out in caravan parks and you're sharing those common areas, you can wear thongs.
So just have something to...
Some layer of protection.
We do have a link to our other blog which talks about treatment for warts. You can do treatment at home.
There are
yourself,
some treatments that you can buy off the shelf at the chemist. Otherwise you can come and see us.
Okay.
And especially for those people who are diabetics or have bad circulation in their feet, we want to keep a very close eye on how things are progressing. We don't want it turning into a wound.
Thanks, Joe. If you've got any more questions about warts, plantar warts, or funny lumps or bumps on the bottom of your feet, then please get in touch because Joe's the expert.